If you want to make money every week trading and you want to be in the most explosive stock, you need to do this daily exercise. This daily exercise, if you do it daily, what it is going to do is it is going to make you a better trader. It is going to tell you where the big moves happen, how do they happen. And in order to do that, what you need to do is very simply do study four things which I'm going to show you. If you can study these four things daily, your understanding of explosive moves is going to increase. Your ability to find them at the beginning of the explosive move is going to increase. If you do this exercise daily, it will allow you to design scans to find stocks which make explosive moves in a week. If you do this study daily, you will understand the nuances of the stocks which make 20% move in just 1 week up or down. If you do this study daily, you will become a better trader in just matter of months. So let's look at this particular daily study. This daily study is the study of four things every week or every day, and that four things is: one is stocks which have gone up 20% plus for the week; two, stocks which have gone down 20% plus for the week; stocks which have gone up $20. So if a stock was trading $100, it went up to 120. You want to study stocks which make $20 plus move. And fourth is to look for stocks which have gone down $20 plus to the downside. This kind of a study is the foundation to me becoming a better trader. I've been doing this study for many years, and I recommended this study to many of the members, and they always come back and tell me that once they started studying this, their eyes opened to the possibilities in the market. So if you're one of the traders who is very serious about it, then start doing this study, this exercise daily. So let's look at this particular exercise, and using Telechart, I'm going to show you the four scans which you can set up to do this study. So first thing you want to look at, the first thing which you want to look at is stocks which are made 20% plus move for the 1 week. So in this case, what I do is I set up American Depository US stocks and a scan which looks for a stock which is up 20% on a minimum volume of 100,000 for the last 3 days and priced above $5. Now if you see, as of now, there are 20 stocks in the last 1 week which were up 20% plus, right? This stock was up this stock was up like 21% or something, right? And it would be like from here to here, so it's around 22% from this particular day. The closing was that particular day 21%, right? Means which is up like maybe up around 50%, right? DWX and like this. So then what you need to do is study these stocks and try and find out where did this move start, what was the first day percentage move. How can I scan for this kind of a stock? So here, this is where the move started, right? And here, and the stock made a big move. So how did the move start? And things like that. And more you study, the more you will have an understanding of explosive moves in the market which start and make 20% move. So this is the bullish side of the scan. You can also develop a bearish side of this scan to look at the bearish move. In order to do the bearish move, all that you need to do is basically write a scan which looks for stocks which are down 20% plus. Again, the volume conditions is to make sure that you're only looking at liquid stocks and you're not looking at stocks which don't have enough liquidity. And then look for 100,000 volume and par is above 5. So if you do look at this, currently you will see that 27 stocks are down. And again, you want to understand when a stock makes a down move, what is the common characteristic? The common characteristic typically is this a good down move. And as you can see, the down move started with a big down percentage day. So this was a 10% down day, and after that for 3 or 4 days the stock went down 18%. And you can find these kind of stocks at the beginning of their move by using a scan which I use, which is called a 4% scan, but more about it in a later video. So here again you see all of these stocks were down 20% plus in last 1 week. Capturing just few of these trades in a week will make you a lot of money, and that is the essence of good swing trading to find candidates like this, which make very big move in just 5 days or 4 days, right? And just in 3 days, the stock is down 14-15%. So those are the kind of stocks which you want to find. Again, here, like this stock is down. So that's the second part. So you're studying stocks which are up 20%. You're studying stocks which are down 20%. And your idea of studying this is to understand the nature of the move and find out how did the move start, so that you can build a scan to find these stocks on the first day of their down move. Now, the third scan which I use, or the third, these are all for study purpose, right? And basically are stocks which are up $20 plus for the last 1 week. So this stock is up $20, right? And you see, or LRCX is up, like yesterday itself, the stock was up $43, as you can see. So obviously it will come in those. So these kind of stocks, for if you have a large account, then it is much better to look at dollar moves rather than percentage moves, because you can put a lot more capital in this kind of stocks. So you'll see that all these stocks, like it was up 23%, and this ETF is up $20 plus. So this kind of a study, if you keep doing regularly, daily, first thing in the morning, I do this kind of a study. As a result of this, your understanding of market moves increases. You understand how to scan and find these kind of stocks, and as a result, you can participate in many of these down moves. And if you participate in a move which is 20%, and if you can capture a couple of them in a week, you can always see this is complete, like, and I shorted this stock and made a lot of money, because as you can see on this particular day it went down $24, right? So finding these kind of moves, if you want to be building your trading career around finding these fast moves of 3 to 5 days of 8 to 20% magnitude, then make it a daily habit to study these kind of moves. So if you are serious about making money trading, there is a simple exercise which you need to do to improve your understanding of the market, to improve your understanding of moves, and to find the moves which can change your fortune.